Nestled in the heart of Central Florida, Celebration is known for its picture-perfect streets, charming architecture, and timeless sense of community. Each neighborhood, from quaint cottages to elegant estates, reflects a unique blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern elegance. For homeowners, maintaining that signature look means paying attention to every detail, including the doors that welcome guests and connect living spaces. A well-designed, custom door installation doesn't just provide function and security. It enhances curb appeal and complements Celebration's distinct architectural character. Here are some custom door installation ideas that help your home stand out while staying true to the town's enduring charm. Classic colonial elegance. Many homes in Celebration feature colonial-inspired architecture, known for its symmetry and timeless appeal. To complement this style, consider a paneled wood entry door with a rich finish such as mahogany or cherry. Add brass or matte black hardware, a transom window, or side lights with divided lights for a touch of sophistication. For a modern twist on tradition, fiberglass doors with wood grain finishes offer the look of natural wood while providing better durability and resistance to Florida's humidity. This option blends the warmth of classic design with the benefits of modern performance. Coastal cottage charm. Celebration's cottage-style homes often feature inviting porches, pastel colors, and a relaxed, coastal feel. A custom craftsman-style door with a wide vertical panel, decorative glass inset, or a subtle beadboard design complements this architecture perfectly. For a coastal-inspired touch, consider painted fiberglass or composite doors in light hues such as sky blue, seafoam green, or soft gray. These colors not only brighten the exterior but also reflect Celebration's cheerful, welcoming spirit. Paired with decorative trim or shaker-style frames, this look evokes the charm of a seaside retreat while standing up to Florida's warm, humid conditions. Mediterranean and Spanish Revival flair. Celebration's diverse neighborhoods also include homes inspired by Mediterranean and Spanish Revival architecture. For these, a custom arched wood or wrought iron door creates a bold statement. Ornamental iron grills, textured glass, or carved wood details can enhance the classic old-world feel. Opt for deep, earthy tones such as walnut or espresso to complement stucco walls and terracotta roofs. Modern composite and steel doors can replicate this luxurious style while offering superior insulation and security, ideal for balancing beauty with practicality. Modern minimalism with timeless appeal. For newer Celebration builds that lean toward contemporary design, sleek lines and minimalist accents make a powerful impression. A custom pivot door or flush panel entry with frosted or clear glass inserts delivers a clean, modern aesthetic that still harmonizes with surrounding homes. Choose materials like fiberglass, aluminum, or sustainably sourced wood to maintain durability without sacrificing design. Neutral colors such as charcoal, black, or natural oak pair beautifully with modern facades and complement Celebration's emphasis on cohesive community design. Double doors for grand entryways. If your home features a wide or stately entryway, double doors can elevate your home's presence. Whether you prefer classic French doors with divided panes or bold contemporary double panels with full-length glass, this design adds elegance and balance to your exterior. Double doors also allow for greater natural light and improved airflow, perfect for enjoying Celebration's mild winters and breezy spring days. Finishing touches that reflect Celebration's character. No custom door installation is complete without the right finishing details. Hardware, lighting, and decorative glass all play a role in tying your design together. Wrought iron handles and knockers lend a traditional feel. Satin nickel or brushed brass finishes offer a touch of modern luxury. Frosted or etched glass panels provide privacy without sacrificing light. For added sustainability, consider eco-friendly doors made from recycled materials or low VOC finishes, perfect for homeowners who want beauty and environmental responsibility. Bringing it all together, your front door is the first thing people notice and the last thing they see as they leave. In Celebration, where architecture and community spirit go hand in hand, A custom door installation can capture both your personality and your neighborhood's distinctive charm. With endless design, color, and material options available, a professional installer can help you create a door that complements your home's character while offering comfort, efficiency, and durability. In a town as picturesque as Celebration, the right custom door doesn't just open to your home. It opens to lasting style, value, and curb appeal.